Hello guys, this is Deepan from Team 7 Boards, and today I will show you how to connect Google Search Console with Google Analytics using Google Analytics code. Okay, you don't need to set up Google Search Console. You can just verify it from Google Analytics. Okay, so first you can see here I have already created analytics tag. I'm gonna copy it and I'm gonna come into my client's website, and you can use a code snippet plugin or header footer code manager plugin to add your tracking codes to the website. Okay, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna click on add new, add your custom code. I'm gonna Google Analytics. I'm gonna paste my code here, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna activate and I'm gonna save the snippet. Okay, now we need to check if it's working or not. So I'm gonna go to the analytics dashboard and I'm gonna click on test installation. Here you can see your Google tag was correctly detected on your website. So now we are gonna verify our GSC or Google Search Console with Google Analytics. So just go into Google Search Console. Okay, make sure you have logged in from the same account. The account you are using, both are from Google Analytics and Search Console. It should be the same account. Okay, so let's go to Search Console. Let's click on start now. Now what we have to do, just come here, click on search property, click on add property. Okay, and you have to just paste URL prefix here, copy the URL prefix from here. I'm gonna paste it. I'm gonna click on continue. As you can see, the verification is done through Google Analytics. Now you can just simply go to your property. So here is how you verify. Here is how you can verify your Google Search Console with Google Analytics. So that's it for the video, and thank you for watching.